Hi and welcome to my channel. So as you've seen from the title, I'm going to be showing you how to apply 4C hair clip-ins. So I came across this store on Amazon called Hair, and they had these amazing clip-ins that had a lot of good reviews, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna buy them for myself because I've always wanted to like vamp up my natural hair. I have type 4C hair, which is the kinky hair. So I ordered the kinky curly clip-ins from Hair on Amazon. So I'm just going to show you the clip-ins. So I initially ordered one box of these clip-ins, and then I decided to buy another one because I wanted a fuller look. So I ended up buying two boxes from Hair, and I'm going to show you how I install my clip-ins. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Nyasha. And if you like what I do here, please subscribe to my channel and also leave comments in the comment section below and like my videos as well. I would really appreciate that. Alright, so I'm going to start by showing you my own hair, like what I did to it. So I'm going to put a side part. When I apply the clip-ins, I'm going to leave a side part. So I flat twisted the hair here on the side and the hair in the front that I'm also going to leave out. And then the rest of the hair, I'm just going to show you what I did. This is what I did to it. But then depending on your situation, you could just do like cornrows or do flat twists. But for me, in my case, I just thought it's better for me to just put, let me show you what I did. To just put hair bands so that the hair will lie flat. Because I really didn't have time to do to flat twist the whole head. But you can do whatever. But since this is a bulky hairstyle, I didn't feel the need rather to do cornrows and so forth. So I just took the hair, my natural hair, and I sectioned it, and then I put it in rubber bands, like what I'm showing you now, like this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to pretty much do to my hair. So the clip-ins that I bought, initially I bought 14 inches. So when they came in, I was like, oh, you know what, this looks a bit short, and also it wasn't enough, like I said. So I ordered another box, and the one that I ordered was 16 inch. But quite frankly, they look, I don't know, I can't tell anymore because I had to dye the hair. So I took it out and then I colored the hair because it was a number 2 color, but I wanted it to be darker. So I ended up mixing them when I was washing them. So right now I pretty much don't know which one is which because it's curly hair, and if the hair is curly, sometimes it can be quite tricky. It can be quite tricky. But I remember when I first got it, I could tell which one was which. But then after I washed it, I just couldn't. Oh yeah, so now I'm going to show you how I put in the clip-ins. So if you're familiar with clip-ins, I guess you know that they come like in different sizes, the band. So you have a band that has like 3 combs on it, like this one here. So I have 4 of those. And then you have a band that has 4 combs on it, like this one right here. And I have 2 of these from the 2 sets. And then I have that has 1 on each, and I have 2 of these. And I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. I think 1 is missing, I don't know where it is, but I have 6 that have 2 bands. Okay, so now I'm gonna start applying them, and let's see what happens with these. The thing that I like about the texture is that it's really close to my natural hair, because normally you will find straight hair, which is really not going to work if you want to leave out your natural 4C hair. So I'm so happy that I found this. So now I'm going to start applying. So I know you start with the shortest one in the back. So I'm going to start with the ones with the 2s. These ones with the ones, I'm going to put them to the side. I haven't decided if I want to apply them or not. So I'm going to start with these ones because I know I have plenty of this here. So what I do is I open it up like this, and then I just put it into the hair like that and clip it. Do the same to the other side and clip it. So as you can see, it's already attached, and it's rather simple, honestly. Like, it's really simple. So I'm going to remove these. So this is the hair that I'm going to leave out in the front that I flat twisted, and this hair. So I'm going to pretty much be clipping around this hair right here. I'm going to put a second one. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the ones with the 3 clips. So I'm going to take this one. So you can see they're secured, and I'm loving it so far. I love the texture of this. Okay, so now I'm going to take the one with the 4, I mean, I don't know if there's a formula to doing this, but like I said, in my opinion, it just depends like on your hair situation, like what kind of hair do you have, and also like pretty much the shape of your head. I know you're supposed to start with the smallest one, and then you move on to the one with the 2 combs, and then you move on to the one with the 3 combs. But then for me, I realized that I just, you know, put them as I go, like however I really want them to be. Oh, I feel elevated already, like, come on. So now I'm going to take the second one, which is this one, and I'm going to put it the one thing I like about this is just the convenience. I feel like at this point in time, the hair game is so elevated. Like, there's so many options out there for everybody. It doesn't matter what type of hair you have. If you have 4C hair, there's something for you out there. If you have straight hair, there's definitely something for you out there. It's like now at this point, there's something for everybody. You're never gonna have to struggle when it comes to hair again. So now I'm going to start putting the smaller ones. I'm going to go back to the 3s, and I'm going to start from this corner right here, because there's quite a gap right there. I'm loving this already. I'm going to take the same one and put it on this side. The reason why I took color mine black, natural black, is because my natural hair color is not number 2B or number 2. My natural hair color is very close to black. So if I want to leave my hair out, I need to make sure that the clip ends are as close to black as possible, else it's really not going to work for me. So that was my situation. So you just play around with it. Like I said, everything pretty much just depends like on your own hair type, like what kind of hair do you have. If your hair color is close to the number 1B or number 2, there's no need for you to, you know, change the hair color. But in my case, it was necessary, or else it wasn't going to look as natural as I really wanted to. So I'm going to take the shorter one, the one with the 2 strands, the 2 combs, sorry, and just put it right there, and put the other one right there. So you can see now it's really starting to look fuller. I love this. It looks like I'm going to end up applying all of it. Because now I only have these left right here. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to take this one again. I don't know if I have enough space right here to put it. could, but I won't. So this is where I'm gonna put the smaller ones, these ones right here with the one comb on each. So I'm just gonna slide it right there and clip it. And I'm gonna take the other one and put it right here, just slip it in and clip it. So I guess on this side I'm done, but I am loving it. So opening it up, that depends on like what you like, but in my case I'm really not gonna open it up, because you could open it up, but in my case I'm not gonna open it up because I like the curl pattern that's there already. So I'm not gonna open it up. And then I can't decide if I want to put any more right here, but since I see some gaps towards the back, I'm gonna take these ones and put them right there so I can fill in those gaps. I'm gonna apply this last one to this other side. So if you want a fuller look than what I have on, you might want to get 3 boxes. I don't know, but for me I feel like this is more than enough. I don't know if I would be okay with having three boxes of this on my head, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm quite okay with this. Tell me what you think so far. Like at this stage, do you like it? Do you feel like this would elevate your 4C hair game? Like, do you think this would be beneficial for you if you have 4C hair, short 4C hair like me? Okay. Ooh, I love this. So now I'm going to undo my hair in the center. So you see the pattern almost matches my hair. Like you can't tell the difference between this and my actual hair. I absolutely love this. I love this. And I'm also going to undo the hair in the front. So as you can see, it's really blending with my natural hair. And I'm also going to undo this other one. Oh, I'm in love. So I feel like if I open the curls more, it's gonna look fuller, but I'm not gonna do that because I definitely want this look, like the curl pattern. You understand what I'm saying? So if you're gonna open it up, maybe, just maybe, 2 boxes are gonna be enough. But if you're not gonna do that, then you might need three boxes depending on your situation, like what I said. So the part, I'm not really gonna use a comb to create a straight line because I don't really want to create a straight line. I want the messy kind of look like this right here. So I'm just going to use my fingers to make the part, and just take this hair and cover the tracks so that the tracks are really not showing at all. Because the last thing that you don't want the tracks showing and then everyone discovering a secret. No. You really want people to think that it's your hair, you know. That's the whole point of putting these on. But I absolutely like it. So there you have it. This is the final look that I've created. And in the front, as you can see, you can't see any tracks because I also left my own natural hair in the front like this, and then also on the side. So if you like, you could take like some pins and then pin it like this so that it really looks like your hair. Just look at that. the way it's really blending with my own hair. So you can just take that, fold it up, take a bobby pin, and just pin it right there, like that. And put another one, just so I can secure it in place. So there you have it. As you can see, this is what the center looks like, and it's really blending with my natural hair, and I couldn't be happier. I really couldn't ask for more, to be honest. There you have it. This is now my hair. This is what my hair looks like. And if you want to get this hair for yourself, if you want to try it for yourself, I'm going to leave a link below. I got it off Amazon. I'm just going to link it below so that if you want to get it for yourself, all you have to do is just click the link and then to take you straight to this hair. I'm absolutely loving it. This is what it looks like in the back. And also, most importantly, make sure that you don't start right at the nape of your neck, because you don't want the hair to stick out. You want it to be like on the same level. So in order for you to be able to do that, make sure that you start around this area right here, and then if it's longer or for whatever reason, you just remove it. It's a clip in, you know, no biggie, no big deal. That's all you would do. But otherwise, that's all from me for now. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate the support. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I really like it. If you like this video, do leave a like on this video. I would also like that. So if you have any comments, please do leave comments in the comment section below. I'll definitely get back to you. So from me for now, it's